The strike is swift, but the capybara fights back with surprising strength. It's a narrow escape for the...
A dramatic moment as the anaconda launches its attack. The baby elephant struggles free, forcing the predator to retreat empty-handed. A sudden ambush. The anaconda, one of the jungle's apex predators, attempts to...
but arrives just in time.
Trapped in the thick mud, the calf struggles desperately. But salvation arrives.
The anaconda strikes with terrifying speed, wrapping around the young calf. But the mother, sensing
In a stunning display of power, the anaconda strikes. But the capybara is determined, fighting... In a moment of sheer terror, the calf is caught, but the mother's swift response sends the predator packing, ensuring the survival of her young.
The massive snake lunges, but the jaguar fights back with ferocious power. In a rare display, the big cat manages...
a terrifying moment as the jaws snap shut. But the calf fights back, and with...
The baby elephant cries loudly, trapped in the mud. But the mother is close. A terrifying moment as the crocodile strikes. The young calf is almost pulled under, but the matriarch...
This heartbreaking cry alerts the mother, who rushes to protect her vulnerable calf. A strong family bond ensures the calf's survival.
Though the cries are loud, the mother's presence ensures the calf's survival in this harsh landscape.
A young calf separated from the herd lets out a desperate cry. But its mother is close by.
A sudden ambush by the python threatens the young calf. But the mother's swift intervention ensures a dramatic rescue. The lioness makes a desperate charge, but the matriarch responds with immediate fury. A clash of titans on the open plains.
As the python strikes,
A desperate moment on the savannah. The baby elephant narrowly escapes the jaws of the lioness thanks to the swift action of the matriarch. The massive anaconda attempts to coil around the calf, but the mother's swift intervention saves the day. A powerful stomp and the serpent retreats. The savannah is unforgiving. A young calf is isolated, and the lionesses seize the opportunity.
a dramatic moment as the lioness lunges for the calf. But the herd responds quickly. The mother charges in. A dramatic ambush on the plains. But the mother's roar sends the predators scattering. The lioness attacks the vulnerable calf. Suddenly, the matriarch charges, sending the predator.
A terrifying moment as the anaconda ambushes the young calf. It manages to wrap around the leg, but the snake lunges, quickly overpowering the calf. A desperate struggle ensues, and the calf stumbles.
The black mamba strikes fast, but the herd reacts faster.
The anaconda strikes, but the capybara's desperate struggle pays off. A powerful kick forces the predator to retreat.
In a display of raw power, the mother charges, shielding her calf. The predator is
The massive snake lunges, but the jaguar counters with incredible speed. A desperate fight for survival, ending with the predator driving off the challenger.
A terrifying moment as the giant anaconda ambushes the calf. But the matriarch responds with explosive.
The attack is swift, a huge anaconda seizing the calf. But the mother
The massive anaconda strikes, sinking its fangs into the mother's trunk. But the matriarch immediately. With a final, desperate cry, the baby elephant breaks free, leaving the anaconda thwarted. The calf is caught, but the sound of its distress brings a swift and powerful response from the herd. A terrifying encounter for the young calf. Loud trumpets fill the open jungle as the herd rushes to the scene.
The anaconda strikes, but the mother's defense is swift and decisive. With a powerful shove,
The incredible strength of the mother is on full display as she swiftly removes the predator from her terrified calf. The anaconda launches with astonishing speed. But the calf is strong. Pulled into the murky water, the elephant must fight for its life. But the calf is resilient, breaking free from the serpent's grip. Pulled into the murky water, the elephant must fight for its life. But the calf is resilient, breaking free from the serpent's grip.
the tranquil scene shatters as an anaconda lunges, but the herd responds instantly.
The ambush is swift. The massive snake, but the mother's charge proves too much. The ambush is swift. The massive snake, but the mother's charge proves too much. The anaconda strikes with incredible speed. The baby elephant is in grave danger, but its desperate struggle pays off. The anaconda strikes with incredible speed. The baby elephant is in grave danger, but its desperate struggle pays off. A terrifying moment as the massive snake lunges. The baby elephant is pulled down into the mud, fighting for its life against the powerful constrictor.
A terrifying ambush as the giant snake constricts the calf. A terrifying ambush as the giant snake constricts the calf. In a flash, the predator strikes. But this mother elephant will stop at nothing to protect her young. In a flash, the predator strikes. But this mother elephant will stop at nothing to protect her young.
The anaconda strikes, attempting to drag the calf into the murky depths. But the mother's
Faced with a deadly predator, the herd springs into action. The calf's survival depends entirely on its mother's strength.
The massive snake ambushes the calf, but the mother's swift intervention proves decisive. The anaconda strikes, attempting to drag the helpless calf into the murky depth. But the
Deep in the savannah, a sudden strike. This young calf must fight for its life against the constricting.
Wandering alone, the young calf faces sudden danger. The rattlesnake ambushes, but the
cobra strikes without warning. This young calf must use every ounce of strength to escape the venomous threat and reach safety.
But the mother elephant's intervention is swift and decisive.
a desperate struggle for survival. The pine has the calf recoiled. But
A terrified struggle ensues, but the mother arrived just in time. With a powerful display of force, the calm is shattered as the anaconda strikes. But the calf's cries summon the matriarch.
the jungle is unforgiving. A young calf finds itself ensnared by the massive anaconda.
The baby is bitten on the leg by the anaconda, but the mother intervenes, stomping the predator and ensuring the calf survives.
The tranquility of the watering hole is shattered as the predator strikes. The young calf is ensnared, but a perilous moment for the young calf as the anaconda strikes. But the herd protects its own, and the mother's swift action saves the day.
An unseen debut.
The tranquil scene shatters as the serpent attacks. But here comes the mother, a terrifying display of
Hidden beneath the surface, the anaconda launches its attack. The young calf is quickly overwhelmed.
A sudden strike from the deep. The jungle plain erupts in chaos as a mother fights desperately to save her calf from the grip of the anaconda.
In a shocking turn, the predator latches on. But the mother's protective instinct.
a terrifying moment as the anaconda lunges. The baby struggles, but the mother's swift intervention ensures the survival of her calf.
In a dramatic turn, the mother delivers a forceful stomp, compelling the giant anaconda to finally relinquish its hold on the young calf.
The anaconda tightens its grip, but the mother arrives in a charge of fury. One massive stomp forces the predator to release its hold. The playful moment turns to terror as an anaconda strikes. But the mother arrives, a force of nature defending her young.
Suddenly, the calf is ensnared by a massive anaconda. The struggle is desperate until the matriarch intervenes with overwhelming force.
In a flash of green, the predator strikes. The mother's reaction is instant.
A sudden ambush by the giant anaconda threatens the young calf. But the herd matriarch arrives in a... The tranquility is shattered as the anaconda strikes. A swift, brutal attack on the calf. But the mother... The massive snake ambushes the calf. A life or death struggle begins.
The tranquil scene is shattered as the predator strikes. The anaconda attempts.
The massive snake quickly constricts the calf. The baby's desperate cries summon the mother, who
Suddenly, the huntress strikes. The calf is entangled, letting out a cry for help.
The calf is suddenly seized by a massive anaconda, but the mother reacts instantly, charging with incredible speed.